everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the font style of your Streamlabs donation page. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on Tip Methods, but click the next tab, Tip Page Design. You'll see 2 sections here. You'll see Content first, then scroll down to find the Design section. Make sure you're in the Design section. Under Design, you'll see the option called Theme. It's set to Main Site Design by default. Click the drop-down and select Custom. The font option will now be available. Click on the drop-down and you'll see a wide range of fonts. I'll select Open Sans, but feel free to pick whichever font you prefer. Once you're done, click the Save Changes button at the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up will appear in the top right to confirm your changes were saved. To check if it worked, scroll back up until you see your tip page. Click the link beside it to copy your tip page URL, open a new tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Let's check our donation page, and we'll see that the font across the page should update to the one we selected. If you want to learn how to add or change the logo on your Streamlabs donation page, watch the next video.